man, it is just hot outside. It's already summertime. I'm just tired of it. I mean, this hot car, there's no air conditioner in here. I've tried putting AC fluid in it. It's obviously got a leak. I got to talk to these people at Southern Motor Company. I mean, it's time for me to just sell this car and get something with cold AC. It's just something else, you know? Anyways, let's go in and talk with them. Oh, it's hot. I mean, oh, hey. What's up, man? How you doing, man? I'm Chad. Do y'all happen to buy older used cars? Yeah, so we do actually buy cars from people. We'd be more than welcome to look at your car and give you a value on it, and then you can make the decision if that's the amount of money that works for you. How's that sound? All right, awesome. Hey, what's up, everybody? So I hope you enjoyed that quick little video there. Now, yes, we really are looking to buy people's pre-owned vehicles that they're driving here at Southern Motor Company. You know, right now here in the United States of America, we have a shortage of chips for the vehicle. Now, when I say chips, I'm not talking about potato chips, y'all. We're talking about computer chips, things like that. A lot of your new car dealerships all over the country are super extremely low on new car inventory. With that being said, all your big car dealerships and really about all your car dealerships are out there looking to buy used vehicles right now. So most of the time, pre-owned car dealerships, just like ours right here and the big ones, go to auto auctions to get cars and trade-ins to get pre-owned vehicles. But with so many car dealerships and car dealers going to these auctions to buy cars right now, you can only imagine the prices are going up on pre-owned inventory. So here at Southern Motor Company, we really don't want to pass that markup or that higher price on to our customers, right? We just don't want to do that. Most of the vehicles here on our lot at Southern Motor Company are bought and looked at in a way where we're making sure we're still paying the right amount of money for the car so customers don't have to pay more. It's not easy buying a car when that type of stuff is happening. Now let me give you just a little bit of information here right now on how that can affect you as a customer. Let's say you have great credit and you say, do I need to put any money down to buy a used car right now? Absolutely. You know, many times before you didn't have to put any money down. That was kind of a benefit of you having great credit, not having to put any cash down to buy a car. But that car today that's worth $20,000 but is on the lot being sold for $25,000, the bank still looks at it as a $20,000 car. Even though it's being sold for $25,000 on the lot, the bank is only going to lend out a certain amount of money. So with that being said, that means you're going to have to put down some cash or something's got to change. So that's why a lot of people, even with good credit right now, are having to put money down just to get into the pre-owned car that they want to buy. Now, with all that being said, yes, we do want to buy used cars right now. We want to be able to take an opportunity to buy your car. If you got an old Volvo like this right here, don't hesitate to stop by, bring it by, and let us take a look at it. I can't guarantee that we'll buy everyone's car, right? We're still going to look at it and see what the deal is on it. Because here's the thing, folks. Also, as a car dealer, if we appraise this car and pay too much for it and have to put a bunch of money into it, fixing it and making sure it's right, because we're not going to put just any type of pre-owned car on our car lot out here to fix all the issues that that car might have, it may cost too much and it may make the value of the car be too high. And that might not be a deal that's good for us, that benefits our dealership or our customers. So with that being said, we don't mind you stopping by, but take into consideration your pre-owned car. Would you take your pre-owned car and put your mom in it today to drive, or your dad, or your sister, brother, or son, or daughter? If you got a car that you would put one of your family members in to drive in the hot summer heat like we're dealing with right now, then that's okay. Bring that car to us. But if you wouldn't put your family member in that car in the hot summer heat and say, hey, go drive it around town all day long, then please don't bring that car to us, because that's not the type of car we look to sell at Southern Motor Company. So anyways, I hope that kind of helps out a little bit. We're here to help you. In many cases, we can write you a check today for your car. but stop by and give us an opportunity. Also, visit the link on the bottom of this video here on YouTube and click that link. You can go right on that link right there and put in all the information about your car, and then I'll get back in touch with you. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. And if you're in the market for a car to buy, check out all the great videos right here on YouTube.